Good morning, everyone. This is Not Facing Garden. Today I wanted to share with you this romantic arch, which I think just reminds me of a wedding arch. You can see the beautiful petals that have fallen. It's been windy and raining yesterday. I love the sight, and I call this my peaches and cream arch. Constituting the arch is my peach, which is the floriferous Susie Rosie from Harkness. You can see different stages, some needing deadheading. I haven't got around to doing that, but lovely fragrance, beautiful peach tone. And the arch is not just complete, but here is my cream, which is Newdawn. Fabulous. I think it's a rambling rose, but I'm going to have to keep it in check. It's beautiful, drooping, dangling ever so softly. Some needing deadheading, of course, but doesn't take away the beauty. It's combined with the clematis. Beautiful arch, delicate blooms. I love them. I recommend for probably a pergola will be better, but in my space I'm working with an arch. Just capture the other side of it. So there you have it, my peaches and cream romantic arch with lovely petals strewn in the walkway. Thanks for watching. It was just a beautiful sight I couldn't resist to share this morning. Have a lovely day wherever you are. Thank you.